Hi guys, I am back. So far we had we had learned about uh, module. So first we have created a greetings module in our home directory, the root directory. So let me show you. If I want to recap it, so here first greetings a directory. In that I have created this greetings.go, where I have created a function hello, and it just take parameter and return the message. And in the hello directory we have created, and then here we have created another function, another code where resides the main function. And in the main function we have called up the greetings module that we have created here. And for that we first have to use replace command here, and then we have use go mod dd to sync it up. So we had synchronized the greetings, and then only then we could run this file. So after that, we got to do this, and the next one is handling error. So let's see what does handling error section teach us. So in the handle return and handle an error, handling errors is an essential feature of solid code. Of course it is, because if we do not handle the error, then in production site it will be a mess up. The client will fuss up and always call you that this is that. So we have to smartly handle the error. So how does it do in Go? Let's see. Here, as I can see, they have marked the new code with blue like color. So what they have additionally added an errors package imported here, I see. Then they have added a new parameter. No, sorry, they did not. They had only one parameter, which is name, but I think it is the return type they are returning. So in this case, they are returning two types of data. Previously, we were returning only one string data. Now there is error type values will also be returned, and it is like a set. So if you do not know what is set, I also do not know what does it call in Go, but as far as I can remember, Python has a set like variable type, and also I think PHP also has something like this. So let me show you Python set, right? Let me see. Yes, it is called sets. So in a set you can compact up multiple values in a sets. It's like arrays, but it is not array. So we can add set items, join sets, but I think we cannot edit a set. Maybe. So I think this is like a return type set. I do not know what GoLang calls it. So let's try what does it do. If name is empty string, it is checking with if condition. If name is empty string, then we'll return empty string as usual, but it also return an errors new empty name. And in message it is just as usual, but additionally it is returning nil as error, because no error, so it must be nil and the valid message. Okay, so let's try. We have to get our hands dirty here. So as you can see, previously we had used only one return type, but this time we gotta do it error. Before that we got to uh, okay, so error, right? Okay, and then we got to first check if the name is empty string, then we have a problem because nothing is added. So yeah, if it is like that, we got to return the name which is empty, so I got to make it empty, and or we can just give it name. Okay, and errors, right? Errors. Oh, I did it wrong. The package is errors, if I am not wrong. Yeah, it is errors. So here is errors dot new, right? And we'll say empty name. Okay, so we checked first if the name is empty. If it is not, then it will just return message with nil. That means no error. Okay, so here's greetings.go is a little bit changed. So I think let's go to hello.co where it is called hello Ashraful. And if it is Ashraful, then I think it will also message and error, right? Because the hello function is now returning two sets of data. So first print line our message because it will certainly give us correct message. So let's go run and run dot. Oh, sorry, not here. We have to go cd hello, and in there we have to run it. What does it say? Greetings go 910. Greetings go 910. Syntax error. Cannot you use assignments name empty as hello? Yeah. Why can it not? I see. This is my mistake. Sorry, it is not assignment. I have to compare, so it is not assignment. It has to be a compare, so it is double equal or triple equal. So this is my mistake. Sorry, guys. Now I think it will be, yeah. The yellow color marking is gone, but here it reappears. What does it say? New, not declared package errors. Okay, let's see if there is error. I am going to see it in the command line. So let's try again. Yeah, it does show errors undefined. So let me go back to the documentation and see what did I miss. It does say I have to add, let's see the explanation. It returns two values. Your caller will check the second value to see if an error occurred. Yes, we checked. Any Go function can return multiples. I see. So here you goes. Here you guys see. We can return multiple values, comma separated. So yeah. Then it says import the Go standard library errors package. So you can use its errors.new function. So it is a standard package, it says. Is it standard package? I don't know. Because import the Go standard library errors package. So you can use its errors.new function. Yeah, but why does it say I did import it here? If I'm not wrong, here it is errors. Let's copy it, paste it. Do I have to use GoTD? I think so. Let us go to the greetings. Okay, go mod. This is the go mod TT, right? Let's see. Nothing changes here in the greetings.go. In that case, let's try again. I think the same error will happen. Yeah. So how do I resolve it? Let me copy and search. I think it's something wrong with the version, right? Let me change the desired version and see if the errors package is still in the standard library. I click here. Let me see the version again. It is 1.19.4. 1.19.4, this one. Yeah, there is new function in the 19.4. No problem. Here it is. Errors.new. So I see it is for 1.19.4. We have new example error of. So errors, I imported here errors.new and I give a, oh, I see. Yeah, that is the issue. The capital N, lower uppercase N, we have to use. Yeah, now let's try. Oh man, string should not be capitalized. Okay, should not be capitalized. Yeah, all are lowercase. So let me make it. Let's see. Yeah, it is lowercase. So I think now the error should not happen. So guys, this is how the learning curve goes. You make errors and you learn and you proceed. Yeah, what does it say? Error declared but not used. Where it is? This one. Oh, we have to use this, right? Let's check. Error. Yeah, not. Yeah, it is not used really. In the 10th 11. Let me see again. 10th, go line number 10, errors.new. Should I make it errors? What do I do? Let me search it again. Uh, uh, because it will reduce our let me see this. As you can see, here is the error type. But why do I have to use it in here? I do not have any error declared unless this one, right? Yeah, I think it is hello.co, not the greetings file. So I have to go to hello.co. Here it is. Yeah, it is not. It is declared but not used. So we have to use it in hello.co. Let's do this like error nil. Okay, error, if error is not equal to nil, then we have a problem. And the problem is that I think error, what will it do? Let's see. Now let's check. Yeah, it came with my name, but if we send empty string, what does it do? It does nothing. Error, of course, this is not now, but it does not print the error. Let's see what our documentation says. So after this is the code, this is the explanation, and here is the hello.co file. And in hello.co file, they bring up log package. I think this is also a standard package combined with the combined with the installer. So yeah, log package. And using that log package, it shows log.fatal error. So we have to import the log. So let's import log. Then here we gotta use log.fatal error, right? Fatal error. And then what does it do? Okay, if not now, then last print message is at the last. Okay, message error is assigned here. So let's try again. What does it do? Okay, this is the time and date and time, and it says empty name, and then exit status 1. And it added a prefix and flag. So predefined logger, including log entry prefix and a flag to disable printing the time. Okay, so we can disable the time. So these will disable printing the time, set flags, and it will set prefix greetings and set flag set to 0. So it will not show the timestamp, the date and time. So let's try again. Yeah, this is the prefix which is added instead of this, and this time is removed because I set flags to 0. Right, so this is the error handling we can do from errors package. We have errors package. From errors package we can check whether name is something like that. And let's say yeah, let's say we do not do anything. We do not pass anything at all. What it will do? I think it will give a syntax error. Yeah, not enough arguments. So can we do this? Can we make name field default? Will it work? I am not sure. This is already giving me errors. Missing comma. Let me see. I think I have to do it like this. Now, how do we set default value here, so that in the PHP we could do that. We could give a default value as a parameter. So if we do not send any parameter, it will get the default value from here. Well, I think there is something like that, but I do not know where you can find such feature. So let's go and find next. What do we have next? We have random greeting. So we're going to return random greeting now if um, if nothing gives here in the name. So here we can see in the same greetings.go file, there's another function, random format, and this return a string, and it declares a variable formats, and the formats has a string type of array. So this is array type, and the array members will be string, right? If I'm not wrong, this is array type, the third bracket. So here, what does it do? The formats have 3 string members of an array, and this all has %b, which has to be used in as printf function, whatever. Then the formats is actually, that's what I am saying, formats is actually a mapping with length formats. So what does it do? Length is a function that count the number of members in the formats variable. So let's say here we have a formats value, formats variable. So this variable can have various array, something like this, and this. So this format variable is the array, and each of the string is the member of this array. And this member of this array has index, like it has 0, 0, then it has 1, then it has 2. So I specifically give 0, 1, 2, but I does not have to do it, because if I do not specify any key here, then it is automatically the 0 key, 1 key, 2 key, or you can say it is, these are indexes. So 0 index, 1 index, 2 index. So if we just can randomly choose 0 from within 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2, maybe from 0 to 2, something like that. Then this, if there is something like function here, then it will shuffle and give us a random value. So let's give it a function like a variable like idx. So now if I use format slash it's not slash, it is third bracket idx. So what it is doing, the idx can have 0, 1 or 2 randomly assigned for every time I call this function. So if it is 0, then it gives sda. If it is 2, then it gives me 1 2 2 1 3. If it is idx is 1, then format 1 gives me aqe. So this is how the randomness works in this function. And after that, it is calling here in the sprintf function, because as I have said earlier, the percentage b will have to be worked with sprintf function. So this function will give us a random. So I have shown here this function I have shown here is actually a combination of my PHP background and what I just learned from Go. But in the Go function, Go language, we have to use rand.intn. This is the function, rand.intn. I think this rand class has a intn function which actually shuffles, give us random integer number. It could have float number, float and something like that function as well. If we search in the documentation, we might have found out. But right now, let's copy this. Sorry, let's write the function. Uh, so let's write the function random number. So what does it return? Not random number. It should have return random a random string, I think, because we are shuffling for the string. Okay, so in this case, it will return string, sorry, not semicolon. And then what does it do? As I said, it declares a message formats, and it's actually of type array with string, right? String, and they have various member which are string member like hello percentage p. Let me see the what does it do? It is percentage welcome. Okay, percentage p welcome, and then we have great to see you. Great to see you percentage p. Then hey we well met. Okay, hey we well met. So these are the random string that we are going to return. So here it will do formats with a random rand.intnl. Okay, and in here we are going to set the max length, right? The maximum amount of length. So the maximum index will be the length of formats, right? If I'm not wrong, let's check. Yeah, length formats, which is 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I think it will give a random string, and in here in the sprintf, which is a message here, greetings hello. I think it is not in hello.co, it is greetings.co. So we got to use it in greetings.co, not here. Sorry. Yeah. So in here we're going to use the random string that we have. This function is called here, and this random string will be either hello or great or hey, and it will return message. So what does it do? If name is empty, then it returns the error. But if name is not empty, then it will return a random string from this among these three. So let us try now again. Hello. Oh, it is giving us error. Maybe let's see, I am missing. Yeah, I am missing. Math/rand. Yeah, I was missing this package. I had to add it. So now let's try. Yeah, because empty name. But if we give a correct name, like this time, let's use David. Okay, let's try. Hail David, well met. Let's see, what does it say now? Same thing. It's always number 3. Let me see what does int n do. GoLang rand int n. Same number. Yeah, it is giving me same number. Why? Yeah, reasons you have to English global source is very. Yeah, we have to seed it. If we seed the time, then it may be random. Let's see if it is true or not. Yeah, let's try again. Uh, time is not. I think we have to call for time. Does any function name time here? Yes. I just give it a go and it just worked. Let's see. Again, yeah, it's always giving me. Let's see what does it do. Mm, if I give it a, I do not need time. Let's see what does it do if we give a value like 2. Let's see what does it do. You see, 1. Yeah. So if we give it 3, what does it do? Well, it is not always giving us a random number. as you can see, because um, okay, this is not our scope, so we just did what here it is told. Let's see the explanation. So this is the function, and random format starts with the lowercase letter, making it accessible to only to code in its own package. Okay, here you go. If the function is start from lowercase letter, then this function will only be accessible for its own package. In other words, it's not exported. Yeah, as you can see, hello function is the first letter is uppercase, so it can be exported, but this one not. Based on the lowercase, first letter has to be lowercase for this. And then this package is used to generate a number of selected items from the slice. Okay, the slice is this one that what they're referring, which is, and then in hello call the random format. Okay, in hello.go. Yeah, but it does not do like this. As you can see, I had added rand, int, and length formats, but it does not give us various values. So let's see if I missed anything at all. I think no. Let's see the package. What does math random do? Yeah, it has many functions. It is deprecated. See, it is deprecated. Why? What does shuffle do? This is the function that we had used. So as an int, a non-negative pseudo number, random number in the half of an interval. Okay. Uh, okay, let's see. Why did I do anything wrong? No, but it is not giving me any. It is always well met. Let me see. So in that case, I think we're done for now. We are getting message, but not randomly. We tried, but it is not giving us a random number. We'll see later. But let's go to the next episode. We're going to use greetings for multiple people. What does it do? Using the same math random format is using, but this time it is making a new hellos function. Hellos with a string of arrays and map string error. Okay, a map to associate names with messages. Okay, so we'll go through it and see what does this make function do, what does this map will do. We'll see it in the in our next video. So this is it. We'll see you in next video. So please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it. And I think it will also help others who are learning Go. Yeah, so this is it. So till then, I am peace out.